So I actually forgot to record an intro and outro to this video, so I'm just going to say shout out to my boy Tuomas, who came all the way from Finland, played a bit of airsoft with us, and everyone who took part there on play airsoft on that weekend. They were all a great bunch, and it was really fun, probably the best time I've had there, so yeah, enjoy the video. Woohoo! Direct front. You won't see him there. Go in. Hey, Missa's on. Okay.
Another one.
Oi! I got the objective, yeah. Oh, hey. The prick, where is he? Go on, boss.
One in the barn.
One, yeah.
One's right in the barn, no, mine's 2 barrels. He's in behind that timber fence.
Yeah. Go on, boss. Which door?
Yeah, I'm over there.
You okay? You okay?
Yeah, I got hit.
Oh yeah, well then put your hand up and just go. And then go back to the same place we were.
Yeah.
Kan jag få med den här slutjobba?
Ja.
Wait. Oh, they fucking patched it up. No.
Do you know where he is now? Yeah, so inside the barn, right there, yeah, the bottom left corner. Yeah, there's another one there, hold on, I'll just take it. Oh, shit, fucker.
If I can get close, I'm gonna fuck a grenade in there and...
Yeah, still there. It's a bit far back there.
Yeah.
There's someone straight down the end as well.
Yeah.
Straight down over the steel barrel.
Yeah. Oh, lucky.
I got 2 kills in there.
Oh, nice. Good job.
Du got mest. Yeah, it's one pro.
Yeah, I know. Oh shit, yeah. He's you know where that wooden pallet is in the barn?
Yeah.
Okay, he's literally right there, like on the other side of that. Like we're not getting through here, like.
Right.
Not with him on it anyway, to be honest. Fuck. We have to make sure they don't get the fucking objective. Hey, I got two. Yeah. How's fish mags? Oh. There's still one more far back though. Right side of the barn, really close. Oh fuck.
Under fire here, man.
Well done, well done.
Has you covered it?
Yeah, go on. I'll give you 2 seconds now.
Where? I'm here with you guys. I'm here with you guys. Alright. Oh, whoa, no, you're okay, you're okay. My bad, I wasn't telling you, right? Can I get a grenade in there? Like, I with the grenade. Wait, right there. Wait, do you think I can get a grenade in there? Okay. Oh. Oh, hey. Ooh. Oh, fuck.
Another one.
Red. Oh, no, fine, you're fine. Oh, man.
Oh, look down there. In the neck, dog, you cunt.
Where?
Many shots you gotta take down?
Where is he?
He's gone round now to the left.
Left? Right, direct left?
Yeah, he's in where the guns are. If you want to push that gun shed, I'll cover.
Yeah. Oh, no. There's someone like literally direct left in the little peak hole with the fences. There's no point pushing.
Gav, have it, Gav! You're dead, boy! Watch that rat race. Yeah, you got it? Yeah, right in the
Yeah. Here.
Oh shit, sorry, I didn't know you were on in there. He's top left. Top left. What are you fucking pinging me?
Here, I'm gonna.
Can you see it? Fucking hell, he's up the top.
Yeah.
Spray him if I get hit. He's top left. I can't play anything.
Oh fuck! Did I get hit? I don't even know if I got hit.
But he's real top left corner. Get back. He's got me foot. I can't move. My someone get him.
Oh, well done.
How did you get so cold enough to jump?
Hi, how are you?
Where? Here, yeah, keep suppressing that tower.
Yeah, go.
What the fuck? I can't. Oi. Oh fuck! I can't get to the flag. I'll try. Oh fuck! Am I getting hit? Wait, what? Oh, okay, hit. Ay. Red with you. A lot of yellows ahead. Oh, well done. Yeah. Cover me, I'm gonna get a grenade up there. Here. Guys. Guys, I'm gonna throw a grenade up there. Wait, you have to cover me, You ready? Tell me if they're peeking or not.
Thanks everyone for watching the video, and send you guys off with a video there of me after destroying a guy in Clash Royale. Hope to see you in the next video.